Welcome to our in-depth review of Hotel Lake Pichola, where luxury and relaxation come together against the stunning backdrop of Udaipur's famous lake. Join us as we uncover the highlights of this stunning hotel, from its accommodations to top-notch amenities and attentive service. Keep watching till the end of the video to know how much staying here costs and which site you can get the cheapest rate. Moving on, be prepared to be swept away by the elegance of the accommodations. As we step into one of their deluxe lake-facing rooms, we are greeted by a harmonious blend of traditional Rajasthani decor and modern comforts. From the plush bedding to the tasteful furnishings, every detail gives off a sense of luxury and refinement. This room is filled with amenities such as AC, heater, mini fridge, and a big closet. Bathroom is big and beautiful, which is equipped with hot water. And let's not forget the most remarkable feature of this room, the panoramic views of Lake Pichola that greets us from our very own balcony, offering a serene backdrop to our stay. Now diving into the breakfast buffet scene at this hotel, let me just start by saying, click on the include breakfast option when you make the booking. Picture this. As you step into the elegant dining area, you are greeted by an array of options from both local and international cuisines. Just take a look. Fresh juices and milkshakes are also available, which I forgot to film. As you load up your plate, you are greeted by the sweet sounds of a live flutist, adding a touch of magic to your morning munching. Now, after breakfast, if you want to go see the sights of Udaipur, you can ask the reception to arrange an auto or scooty for you, and they will do that at a very reasonable price. And if you don't feel like going out, there is plenty to do in the hotel itself. You can go for a boat ride or go for a swim in their very own swimming pool overlooking Lake Pichola, or you could sit and take the views in. Or you could do something I personally recommend, that is to eat at their very own one of the most famous rooftop restaurants in Udaipur, Upre, where dining reaches new heights, literally. You will be greeted by stunning views of Udaipur's skyline and the shimmering waters of Lake Pichola below. The ambience is nothing short of magical, with soft lighting and elegant decor setting the stage for an unforgettable culinary experience. And speaking of culinary delights, the menu is vast, showcasing the best of Rajasthani cuisine alongside international favorites. And the food is undoubtedly very good. We had our anniversary dinner here and it couldn't have been better. Just be sure to make prior reservations and you are good to go. So, how much did this stay cost? It costed us 15,863 rupees for 2 days, including breakfast, and we booked the cheapest rate we could find from Agoda after researching tons of sites. You will find the link in the description.